Okay, so here we are, question two, and I accidentally went ahead and started doing the problem a little bit myself. But basically, what you're gonna want to do is to find. You want to start with the profit, and basically, the profit is you get the price, and then you multiply the price by the demand, right? And then you want to subtract that number by the unit cost multiplied by the demand, and then you would add the fixed cost. And then basically what you want to do is you want to drag this down here, and then that'll fill in later. All right, so the next step is basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make little like tables. So this is gonna be the lower bound right here. This is gonna be the upper bound right here. This is gonna be fixed cost, for example. And then we're gonna make these columns a little bigger. But we're gonna take these three and then autofill here, and then change up the what it says. So for example, this is going to be unit cost instead of fixed cost, and this is going to be demand. And basically what we want to do is we want to grab this right here, paste that there, grab this right here, paste it here, and then grab this right here, paste it here, and then we can make it look a little bit pretty with this right here. Okay, perfect. All right, so now we actually have to fill in the thing. So 0 goes in the first lower bound of all of them, and then for this, we're gonna have to reference this one, and then the next lower bound is always gonna equal this, and it's gonna equal the upper bound plus this one, and I believe we can autofill from here. Yep, perfect. And then we're gonna continue that sequence. So bang. Equal that, and then this will equal this one plus this one. Oh, I put equals plus. And then you know you're doing it right when the final answer is coming out to 1, which it is for all of the ones I'm doing. Plus this. And then you just autofill. Perfect. And now we finish the tables. Okay, so now once you have the table done, what you're basically going to do is you're going to, I made a little mistake here, but it's okay. But basically, you are going to make a formula for a VLOOKUP, and the first value is going to be, so the first value is going to be your random number. The next value, or your array, is going to be we just made. And then we're going to do from column 3 because we want to find out which fixed cost matches. And then it's going to be true because we want an approximate match, not an exact match. And we're going to drag this down. And then I believe we're just going to do the same thing for the rest of this problem. We're going to lock this one in place. It's going to be 3 and then true. Just like that. Drag it down. Demand, same thing. VLOOKUP, the lookup value. The table array. Lock it in place. Column number 3. And we want it to be true. Just like that. And then this should be, there we go. And then we want the profit statistics, so we want the average of the profit. We want the maximum of the profit. We want the minimum of the profit. And then we want the standard deviation of the sample of profit. And why is this so zoomed in? But as you can see, question two is 100% correct. So we're done with question two.